As gaming laptops become more and more powerful, the idea of chugging a machine capable of playing games with performance on par with desktop rigs will only get better as time goes on. The timing is just impeccable as Predator decides to revive the concept of large-screen laptops through this Predator Helios 18. Today we will be looking at some of the things that make this uniquely big gaming laptop stand out from the rest. Coming in exactly 18 inches, this particular unit has an immaculate screen that runs at a resolution of 2560 by 1600 or 1440p with a slightly higher vertical real estate. It is an IPS screen with a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut for accurate color reproduction, and it is capable of refreshing up to 240Hz for a smooth gaming experience. With a good screen, you will also need adequate computing parts to do all the rendering, and you will find the best with the Intel Core i9-13900HX processor sitting inside this laptop. This flagship silicon from the Team Blue is armed with a total of 24 cores and turbo up to 5.4 GHz in order to deliver all the frame rates gamers are craving for, no matter you are casual or hardcore. The second generation hybrid architecture utilizing the performance cores and efficiency cores, or P cores and E cores respectively, enables a much more efficient power consumption rate at the background, and easy tasks are handled by the E cores, while the P cores will do all the heavy lifting in games and video editing. Coupled up with a discrete NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU, the Predator Helios 18 can fully access all the modern games, rendering magics like ray tracing and DLSS3 for extreme photorealistic lighting with high FPS. The same can be said for video editors like us when we need to do on-the-go editing with content where we need to juggle between battery life and rendering speed. But that is not the case with this machine, though it has great horsepower, but all of those are being just powered by internal battery. To serve the very best, you will need the cutting-edge cooling solution to tame the hot chips. Thanks to the dual 5th Gen AeroBlade 3D fans that are custom engineered in combination with vector heat pipes, the system can easily remove tons of heat efficiently. And let's not forget the other factor, which is liquid metal thermal grease that goes on top of the CPU that performs way better than any other grease-based conductors out there. As a brand new member of the Predator family, Acer basically went all out and crowned this new model with a completely new design. We have RGB LED strip at the back that shines bright light from below over the patterned acrylic piece. This strip is also configurable through the Predator Sense app, or either follow the global settings or uniform lighting effect, or to be made exactly to your requirements and taste. Speaking of lighting effects, how can we forget about the newly updated keyboard with mini LED backlight RGBs that is better in terms of brightness, power consumption and less light leaking. The entire typing experience is also comfortable and hits the sweet spot like a keycap spacing and keystroke traveling. So yes, it is just great for those who need to work and game on the same device. In order to squeeze out every single potential of a gaming laptop, the accompanying software needs to be tuned accordingly as well. With the Predator Sense app, it is like a dashboard for the Predator Helios 18 or any Predator gaming laptop on the larger scale. With it, you can adjust the performance, fan speed and RGB style through one of the several presets profiles, or have your own customized one through some tinkering. At the size of this big, yes, at the range of I/O is pretty impressive as well. Two Thunderbolt 4 that can hook up external peripherals like monitors and SSDs, a couple of USB 3.2 Type A's, HDMI 2.1, and Intel Killer E2600 Ethernet for those who wanted smooth and steady wired internet connections. Wireless gamers, on the other hand, can take advantage of the Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6E, AX1675i instead. So, to summarize, the new Predator Helios 18 is one trustable machine designed to deliver the best 1440p or 1600p gaming experience, no matter where you go with your superior performance, exquisite display, sophisticated cooling and all the elements that will help you show off your gamer's identity. If you're interested to learn more about this laptop, we have links down in the description or the comment section below. or if you have anything to say about this laptop, you can always leave your comment. So I'll see you guys in the next video.